Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the set data structure. Set data structure that is also collection of the individual data types. Like if you suppose take the example of the set syntax like value 1, value 2, value 3. Like this, it is a collection of individual data types. Syntax of the set. But first point, it is not allows like set data structure. Set data structure not allows choose the duplicate elements duplicate elements duplicate elements and set is a it is a unordered collection of elements. First we are going to see the set like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If you take again 10, 30, take the 40 again. We are taking the repeated the 10, 30, 40 again. If you print that element set data structure, you print the S1, you will see the output of Python test.py. See, we got that unordered collection of elements, but we did not got the duplicate elements. We got only the unique elements. If you want only the unique elements, second point is if you want only unique elements from the from the collection of from the collection. We want only unique elements from the collection. We use the set data structure and and order is not required. Like unordered elements, order is not required. First point is set data structure not allows the duplicate elements. It not allows the duplicate elements and it is an unordered collection of elements. Second point is if you want only the unique elements from the collection, if you want only the unique elements from the collection, we use the set data structure and the elements is un like elements is not ordered. It may be that in any order. Like third point is uh, representation of the set data structure. We haven't seen that we have seen that set with some elements, but we haven't seen that representation of the structure set data structure. Representation of the set data structure. Like suppose if you want to represent set data structure, S is equals to like suppose I am giving the set or set1 is equals to set function we are going to use. If you want to use that, it is like set2 is equal to like this one. This like it will gives class as dict data structure. It will gives class like set data structure. We will see this one. If you give S1 is equals to curly braces, empty curly braces, print of S1 and print of type of S1. If you use type of S1 means you will get the data type of the text. See, Python test.py. See, we got the empty, but class is dictionary. Class is dict. If you see, instead of this one, we can see this set, like a set empty, set function. See, CLS, again, Python, test.py. See, we got this set function, like class is set. We did not got the like curly braces while printing. We got only the set function, class is set. This one is a third point. If you want to copy, you can copy that example. Example, output is, you can copy this output. Set elements, accessing the set elements. Means set is first one, accessing set elements. Set, like here, first point. A set does not supports, set not supports indexing and slicing operations. Slicing operations. Slicing operations. If you see that example of, I'm giving like set like A, B, C, D, E, F. If you take like this alphabets, letters, if you want to print that whole, we can print. See, Python test.py. We got that entire data, and with unordered. See, ordered is not same. That's how we are given A B C D E F, like this here. See, B D F E F B D F E A C, we got this class is set. See, if you want to access like one element from the set, like S1 of 0, see, we got CLS Python test.c. Type error. Set object is not subscriptable. We got this error called set object is not subscriptable. We cannot access like this. We can see the slice operation also. S1 of 1 to 3. 1 to 3. 1 in column to 3. See. Set object is not subscriptable. Remove this one. Comment this one. See, we got this. Set object is not subscriptable. See, we cannot perform the example, like output. Output is type error called set object is not subscriptable. We can use the we can we can use the we can use the loops with set data structure. We can use the loops. We can use the loops with structure data structure. Like see here. See this one only. Instead of I'm using the for loop element in S1. Element in S1. Print of element. CLS Python test.py. See, we got the answer loops. If you want to use that while loop also, this is the for loop. For loop, I'm giving message like for loop. If you want to use while loop, first initialize with I is equals to 0 while I less than length of S1. Like how to get the length means we can use the length function with S1. Same like list also. List means how to get the length of the list means length of list reference variable. It is a set reference variable. Print print S1 of here not. Oh, sorry. While is not supportable, not supports that indexing and slicing. That's why we cannot print that. I think that while loop is we can't perform the while loop with the set. We got another point here. We cannot perform the only here right here. We can perform. We can use the loops with set function, but while is not able to perform. While loop is not able to perform. Only only for loop is applicable. Example. Once again execute friends for the output. See, we got the for loop D, E, F, B, C, A, C like this. If you want only that single line statement, I will use that end some space. See, D, C, B, D, A, F. Next one, fifth point is set is collection of set is a collection of heterogeneous and homogeneous elements. Homogeneous and homogeneous elements. Like see, we will see the element. We will see the example of heterogeneous and homogeneous element. S1 is Ramu. Age is here. His age is 22. Gender is male. Marks is 89. Next subjects course is full stack. Full stack. I'm writing like this. If you print this S1 and type of S1, see the output. We can execute here only Python test.py or 1 second. Python test.py. See, we got this answer. Full stack made Ramu 2289, but this is a unordered. Order is not same. It is a satisfied. We can execute. If you take another one, like same elements, strings I will take. Ramu, Lata, Krishna, Ganesh. I will take like this. If you print that S2 and type of S2, print, I will making that one space. Try to print this one. See, I got this one and this one also. Struct elements are homo elements allows that both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. Say example we can take here. It allows both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. Output. Sixth point is set is collection of collection of immutable data types. Set is a collection of immutable data types. What is immutable data types? Like it allows only that fundamental data types and uh, that is a collection. Like it will allows like it will allows only the immutable data types collection only. It will not allow the mutable data types collection. If you give that any mutable data types in that set, it will throw an error called type error. Like see, we will see that like s1 is equals to s1 is equals to we will see like 10. 10 is like all fundamental data types are immutable only. Like Ramu, I'm giving uh, true. I'm giving that one boolean complex also. It is don't teach any other float value 10.89. If you give like this, it will allows immutable data types. If you take that tuple also. 100, 200, 300. For suppose you can take two elements. If you take that tuple, suppose we can try execute this one as one execute this one first. CLS Python test.py. See true Ramu 100, 200 like tuple 10.89, 10 plus 20 is 10 we got. If you give any mutable data structure in this, if you give like I'm giving like 11, 22, 33, if you like this, see we got the type error called unhaishable type list. It will not allow the mutable data structures. It will allow the only the immutable data structure. Instead of if you take this one, instead of I'm giving that dictionary elements like n is equals to 10, 20 is equals to uh, 20. I'm giving like this. I'm giving instead of the list, I'm giving the dictionary. See, execute once again. Save and see. Type error called unhashable type dictionary. Dictionary also not allowed. Dictionary also that immutable only. So see, we will give instead of this one. Actually, instead of this, I will give the set insert set only. I will give 10, 20, 30, 40. See, we execute this one. See, type error, unhashable type set. From this, what we have observed, we have got that one new point here. Set also a mutable data structure. Set also a mutable data structure. See, one point we got. Seventh point is set is a mutable data structure. Set is a mutable data structure. Save this example. It is a collection of immutable data types. It is a collection of immutable data types. See, if we take this example, unmanageable type set. It is a set is a mutable data structure. Mutable data structure means what? We can perform the addition, we can add the element, we can delete the element, we can modify the, we can, I think we cannot modify the element, we can we can update the element. we can perform the updation on this uh, updation on the element like not only that, what is the mutable meaning means that after the performing the updation like addition, like updation, like deletion also, that that reference variable, the object address is not changed. See, cannot change the after performing the addition like these operations that the address will not change means this is a mutable object, mutable data structure. If that address like if you perform if you change like if you perform the addition like remove operation like updation means that object address like object id or address it will change means this is an immutable object like like it is creating the new object from the changes from the changes or from the any new updations through the data structure. That is called immutability. Mutability means that it cannot change that address. It's that the same address only it is able to performing the addition like remove and updation operations like this. This is the overview of the data structure. We will see the methods and some more methods of the like add method, like remove method, update method. We will see that next one, so the next session. If you like my content means please like and subscribe friends.